Did you know your entire body is made up of tiny units? Living units you cannot even see. Right now, millions of them are working inside you, keeping you alive. Today I'll tell you a story about these tiny workers called cells and how they build your entire body. Meet Cella, the smallest unit of life. Cella says, I may be tiny, but I'm very powerful. Inside Cella, there are important parts. One is the cell membrane. The cell membrane controls what enters and leaves the cell. Then there's the cytoplasm. This is where activities happen. Then the nucleus. It is the control center and can be seen as the brain of the cell. So remember that the membrane, that the cell membrane is the gate. The cytoplasm is the workplace, while the nucleus is the boss, that is the brain of the cell. Now, how do these cells stay alive? Cella needs food to survive. So she performs activities like metabolism, which is chemical reactions in the body, respiration, which is energy production, and excretion, which is removal of waste. Without these cells die, and if many cells die, the tissues and the organs will fail eventually. Now, the chemistry of life. Cella introduces her building materials, which are water. Water makes up most of the body. And then there's salt, which are the electrolytes, and they help nerve and muscles to function. Then there's carbohydrates, which is our energy source. Protein, which is for bodybuilding. Fats, which is also a source of energy and insulation. So for easy memory, water, salt, carbohydrate, protein, and fat equals to life. So Cella says, I don't work alone. We form teams. These teams are called tissues. There are four main types of tissues. One is the epithelial tissue. Then there's the muscle tissue, the nervous tissue, and lastly, the connective tissue. For example, many muscle cells come together to form a muscle tissue. As a nurse, this knowledge is very important because you need to understand that when cells are damaged, it can lead to disease. So, in cancer, you have uncontrolled cell growth. In dehydration, you have a lack of water in the body cells. While in electrolyte imbalance, you see that it affects the nerves and the muscles. So this helps you as a nurse to understand patients' conditions better. Let's summarize. Remember, a cell is the smallest unit of life. The nucleus is the control center of the cell. Body chemicals support life, and the cells form tissues. When there's no cell, there's no life. So if this story made chapter 2 easy for you, like this video, subscribe for more nursing lessons. Comment, cells are life. Next, we'll go deeper into another chapter in a fun and simple way. See you in the next class, nurse.